Good day everyone, my name is Jan Job in Wadora, PH Criminology, second year. What is your personal stand on ethics and why do you think ethics is important to your daily life as a student? My personal stand for ethics is applying moral principles like honesty, respect, responsibility, and fairness to academic and personal life, fostering integrity in work, no cheating, plagiarism, creating a positive learning environment, respect peers, teachers, show discipline, and developing good character for future success and responsible citizenship. And we have ethical principles for students. First, integrity and honesty. Doing your own work, avoiding plagiarism, and being truthful in all academic endeavors. Second, respect. Showing consideration for teachers, classmates, diverse idea, and school property. Third, responsibility. Meeting deadlines, being accountable for action, and managing time effectively. Fairness and justice. Treating everyone equally and ensuring equitable evaluation and academic settings. As a student, we have student ethics matter. First, build character. Develops moral compass for distinguish right from wrong. Second, ensures credibility. Uphold the value and integrity of academic work and degrees. Third, foster a positive environment, creates a harmonious and equitable space for everyone. Fourth, prepares for the future, lays on ground, work for ethical conduct in future careers and society.
Hello everyone, I'm back, Janti Job in Madura. I hope you learned something from me. That's all. Thank you and bye-bye.